இதம் காண்கின்றவான் கூட நிஜமல்ல இதம் சேர்க்கும்
So in the last part we stopped till here, and the next step is 1 2 3 4, and for that first you should sit in aramandi like this, then take a step to the right, left on toes, step to the left, right on toes. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now with your hands it will go 1 and 2. When you take a step to the right, extend your right hand. When you take a step to the left, extend your left hand. See the change in mudras. 1 and 2. Okay, now let's do it together. 1 2. After that 2 turns, 3 and 4. You should keep your left and right hand in the same mudra, but keep your left hand turned downwards. Okay, and after that extend your right and bring it back. Then extend your right, turn and bring it back. Okay, while turning you should extend your right hand. Okay, see, like this. Okay, now let us do it together. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now after this the next step is 1 2 3 4. It is actually 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You should take 3 steps. Okay, I'll show it slowly now. 1 2 3. Now left forward, 1 2 3. Right forward, 1 2 3. Left forward, 1 2 3. Okay, let's do it again. 1 2 3. Turn, 1 2 3. Turn, 1 2 3. Turn, 1 2 3. Okay, your hands point, bring it to your chest, then 1 2. Okay, for that with your left hand hold your skirt, then first point your right hand, then bring it to your chest, then flick flick. Okay, so you should flick your fingers, the first 2 fingers, thumb and the forefinger. Okay, like this. Move your shoulders along with it. 1 2, then 3 4. Move your shoulders along with it. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's do it a bit faster. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. It is this fast. Okay, along with the song. Now we will do it again. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's do it again. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now the next step is this. 1 2 1 2 3 4. This is the last step. Okay, so for that keep your left outwards to the side, then right like this. Okay, in this mudra. Okay, this one, just twist and keep it there. Okay, you can either keep it with 2 fingers or 1 finger as your wish. So twist and keep it there, then with your left twist twist twist, bring it down. Okay, so the first step the same twist. Okay, the same twist from the first step, just the mudras are different. Okay, okay, like this, twist like this and bring it down. Okay, so from there draw diagonal, like a diagonal, bring it down. Okay, and your legs will be like this. So from there twist 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 twist. Tilt your body to the left too. Now let's try doing it from here. Okay, the 3 count step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Twist, 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 twist. Okay? Now let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Twist, 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 twist. Now let us do it everything from the beginning. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Twist, 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 twist.